On this week's episode, crispy Korean-style chicken with an egg and cider batter. Ingredients: I use seasoned flour from previous recipes. Both are linked in the description below. For the wet mixture, add 1 egg. Add Aromat Seasoning or salt. Pour in your preferred cider while whisking the egg. Add some Nando's Peri-Peri paprika and lime seasoning. I also added it to one of the flour mixtures. The chicken I used was Korean-style seasoned. Coat the chicken in the first dry mixture. When doing this, I recommend using a larger container than I did. Next, coat it in the wet mixture. And finally, coat the chicken in the other dry mixture. Over a high heat, heat oil in a deep pot. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Place the chicken on a lined baking tray and bake in a preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy this crispy Korean-style chicken with an egg and cider batter. I love how this chicken came out. The color, the smell, the texture, the crunchiness, and the tenderness. Definitely a 9 out of 10. As always, I appreciate you watching. It means a lot to me. If you like what you see, please like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe. Love you all, and God bless.